welcome to Amiths World. Today I'm going to make an experiment about air takes space and take pressure. I'm going to first tell you about air. When we blow something, for example, I am going to blow this balloon. I blowed so the air came in the balloon. When I leave it, air got space to go and it gone. Like that. For doing that experiment, we need a balloon, straw, you can use any straw, an empty bottle, there shouldn't be a water inside, and water. Make a hole anywhere and add a water. I'm going to make a hole now. After making a hole, insert a straw in the hole. I am going to make a hole with a screwdriver and ask your mama to make the fire so it can be hot, and take the screwdriver and put it in the fire so it will be so hot and it will go inside the bottle so fastly. Be careful with fire. Always use help with your mother, otherwise it will burn your hand. Now add the straw. Oh, forgot water. Let's add more water. Be careful with water, otherwise it will fall down and we slip. Now insert the straw. It's so hard to insert the straw, so I asked my mother's help. Now blow the balloon. If you can't blow the balloon, you can pump or ask your father or mother to blow. Now twist it so air will not go. Now fit hard. Now when I leave the balloon, the air will go and it will pump the water, and the water will go inside the straw and it will come to the bottle. See? See? Look, the magic. It's not a magic. When I leave the balloon, the air gone inside and from the water and water gone. The water will stop when the balloon's air will fully go. If you like this video, please subscribe Amiths World and put a thumbs up and bell to get more notifications. And bye, see you in the next video. Ha ha ha.